So now let's see how to compute the maximum of three numbers a, b and c. We have already seen how to compute maximum between a and b, two numbers. Let's extend it to three numbers now. So the first question I can ask, if a is greater than b, okay, if a is greater than b, I know a is a candidate for a maximum, b is not, but I still have to compare with c. So I have to do one more if comparison, if a is greater than c. So if a is greater than b and if a is greater than c, then who is the maximum among these three? It would be a. So I will print a, and if a is not greater than c, I can print in the else statement, print c. Okay, so this is the case when a was greater than b. Now what if a is less than b? If a is less than b, this will be in the else statement. So the else block matching this outer if. So else, I know that a is greater than b is not true. That is why I am in the else block. So a must be either equal to b or a must be less than b. I still have to compare with c. So else if b is greater than c, then what do I need to print? I'll print b, and if this is not true, we'll say else print c. Now let's test this program for different inputs. These are the variables a, b and c. I can see a is 15, b is 10, c is 8. Okay, and we will give the output here and we'll test these conditions. So is a greater than b? Is 15 greater than 10? Yes. So we will go inside this loop. So now my program will execute this command or this statement if a is greater than c. So is 15 greater than 8? Yes, true. So what will I print? I will print 15. So the output of this code for the input a equals 15, b equals 10, c equals 8 is 15. Is 15 the maximum of these three numbers? Yes, it is the maximum of the three numbers 15, 10 and 8. Should we try for another input? Okay, this time let's make b as 18. So the user has inputted these values, a is 15, b is 18, c is 8. Okay, so these values are now stored in these variables, in these addresses. Okay, now if a greater than b, so computer will read a is 15, b is 18. Is 15 greater than 18? No. If it is no, I have to skip these statements. I'll skip these statements, I'll go to else. So now the computer will execute if b is greater than c, a is no longer needed. Computer will read b and c. Is 18 greater than 8? Yes, it is greater than 8. So what will it print? It will print the value of b as 18, which is the maximum of these three numbers 15, 18 and 8. Try with other values and make sure that this program here is correct, and now draw it in Flowgorithm or write it as a code. Thank you.